You know that feeling where you're fired up with motivation, can't wait to make something happen, really want to go for it? I call those moments of dope. But there's also moments where you just can't get yourself to move forward. I call those moments of nope. Let's have a look at one.
Moment voor jezelf. Ah shit. Nee, is niet uit. Adem nu eens goed door. Oh ja.
Fuck.
Diep in, adem diep in.
Waarom vind ik dit lastig? Shit. Kut.
Zet die bril eens op.
Fuck.
Rustig eens aan.
Dit wil dit toch?
Wat houdt je niet tegen? Benoem het dus.
Weet ik niet.
Waar denk je aan? Denk je dat er iets fout kan gaan? Doet het pijn?
Ja.
Doet het pijn in je voeten? Denk je dat als die pijn bij mijn bovenlichaam komt, kan ik het niet aan? Denk je dat?
Weet ik niet. Kut.
What happened here? I wanted to challenge myself and I just saw other people do it. So I was like, I got this. This is going to be easy. But let me tell you, confidence when you're watching outside of an ice bath is a whole different story once you step in. And that's what I call a moment of nope. You really want something, but your thoughts start to work against you. This hurts, this is cold, or I don't have time, I'm too old for this, my neighbor is watching, I've put the wrong freaking pants on this morning. All kind of thoughts that in many different ways just try to tell you no. Some thoughts are helpful, others not so much, and we can choose which ones to listen to. So let's get me back in that ice bath. But this time, I'm going in with positive, helpful thoughts, like I can do this, and I know it's going to hurt, but I know pain, and I've pushed through that before. And also, I chose to do this. I cannot give up, I have to prove this to myself. So let's go.
Toen ging dat weg.
In de boren.
Ja,
Bij je schouders. Nee, voor sta je bij. Oh ja, laat maar. Kom net uit. Nee, ik kan het.
Good.
Ja, doe maar.
Okay, that went better, but it still wasn't the full 2 minutes. And whatever I told myself, it was still very cold and still a lot of pain. So I just felt like I couldn't get in control and I wanted to escape. So what now? Shall I accept that I didn't make the full 2 minutes? That I simply can't control everything? I would love to be able to sit in that ice bath and pretend like I'm at the beach and the sun is shining. But that's not how nature works, and that's not how my body works. You know what? I'm going back in, and I'm not going to pretend. I'm just gonna sit there, listen to the instructor, let him be my guide, and then see what happens.
Hier staan. En weer die 2 keer. Hè? Uitademing. En weer die 2 keer ademen. 2 keer. Ja, anders span je schouders gelijk. Ja, heel beter dan net. Je bent veel rustiger dan net. Uit het van. Iets dieper in ademen. Best. Heel erg. Nu langzaam uit. Diep in, maar langzaam uit. Je begint te vechten. Verkramp je keels niet, verkramp je schouders niet, goed zo, uit. Visualiseer of je in een warm bad zit en iedere keer dat je uitademt, dat innerlijke vuur begint te branden. Alsof je in een warm bad zit. Goed zo. Uit het vol. Niet van je gezicht. Gewoon weg. Kan meer dan je denkt. Veel meer dan je denkt. Je lichaam kan, maar je hoofd moet stoppen. Je hoofd denkt dat je moet stoppen. Niet je lichaam. Je lichaam kan echt wel door.
Je kan dit.
Bijt me door die pijn heen. Goed zo. Nu kom je in het proces waar je wil. Nu heb je die connectie. Hou je vast. Hou je die vast. Hou vast. Klaar voor? Alright. Lekker.
Hell yeah, we did it. And it still was tough. And let me tell you, after the 2 minutes getting out, felt like relief. But there were great lessons in this. Things don't have to succeed in just the first try, and some moments are simply easier than others. So we can have big dreams, try new things, do challenges, and just be okay with it if it takes a while. Because there will be moments when you feel dope, and moments when you tell yourself, nope, just let it happen and get back in.